Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today video, I wanna share what I ate at 7-Eleven in the Philippines. Also, I met nice Filipino. Let's go to 7-Eleven. Check it out! Hi! 7-Eleven is famous convenience store in Philippines. Hello. Can you recommend to in here? What do you think is the best? Maybe I want to try. What is it? Siopao. Yeah, I want to try siopao. Really yummy. I want to get it. How can I get it? Hi, I'm Tin.
What's your name?
My name is Kelly.
My name is Tom.
Oh, Tom? Oh, hi, Tom. Oh, Asado is really famous, right? Oh my god. Wow.
Where's your family?
Family is living in Korea, so I'm far from them. Thank you.
Go to counter.
I'm just a horse. Yeah, can you move the counter? You know, I got this. I researched. Yeah, I wrote that. What is that?
No.
Vitamin.
Vitamin.
Vitamin. Where is it? Vitamin is good.
Depends.
Depends.
Vitamin.
Oh, vitamin.
Strawberry, banana,
Oh.
or
We have a
chocolate.
choice. Okay. I will choose that. Maybe what is?
Me kasi
Oh, for you?
it's a banana.
A
Like
banana.
chocolate.
Oh, I.
What do you want?
Banana. I will get it. Yeah. Maybe it tastes like banana milk. There have a ton of water in here. Cheaper one. I want to get cheaper one. So I'm not excited or enjoy this Philippines. I love it.
Try adobo.
I want to try adobo. I heard that adobo is really good, right?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Oh, this is 92 pesos.
Oh my god. Maybe this is sauce. I don't know what is that, but it is sauce. Wow, looks like really big. Oh my god, like that. Wow. No. This is how? Yeah. Okay, I will try that. Oh my god, it looks like really big and huge. Like that. Oh my god. Really yummy. I really like it because inside you can see some sauce like this. Really soft. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's really yummy. Wow. It's so good. Soft, and inside the meat is really sweet and only 35 pesos. Maybe you can buy these things easily in convenience store. And I love it. Oh my god, texture is really good. So plumpy and so soft, and what else? Convenience store staff highly recommend to enjoy this. Thank you for recommend. because it's really good. This is good. I love it. But do you know this is? What is this? Sopao sauce. Is that sopao sauce? This is sopao sauce. Maybe I have to put my sopao this sauce. Like that? Like that? I don't know how I can put my sauce, but I put this. Oh my god, sauce is really good. Maybe if you turn sauce, feel like more flavor and more salty, but not too many. Too many is too enough. Like that. Like that. We will try other food in here because I want to try other things even if I'm not hungry now because I already ate sopao. I want to go again. I want to try this soy milk, like Vita milk. I shake Vita milk banana flavor. I love banana, so that's why I think it's really good for me because I love banana flavor. I couldn't make it. I will ask. Sorry. How can I? Ah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I got it. Okay, I got it. I will try them. It's so good. Oh my god. It's not, I love it because I love this kind of the flavor. I love it. I love it. I like it. Oh my god. Maybe I will get again. I will check the bill, my dear. This is banana Vita milk, soy milk. It tastes like soy milk banana flavor. Really good. And they have a like 5 and 4 flavor. Maybe milk, coffee and banana and strawberry like that, but I don't know. I'm not sure how many flavor they have, but as I saw that, yeah, of course. Cheers. But I can see calorie is 190 calorie, but never mind. It's really good, really tasty. Maybe if you like the banana and if you like banana milk, I highly recommend these products. Really good. But maybe if you want to really sweet things, if you have a like sweet tooth like that, you might be not sensitive about that, but I don't know. But for me, I love that. Good. Can you recommend what snack is best? This product is really famous in here, right? I already had that. I really like it because not too salty, not too sweet. So when I eat, craving some bite, and I want to get. Also, I had this. Sometimes I wanted to eat them. Of course, I love it, but I wanted to try new. So that's why I'm just looking around in here. I want to eat ramen, like that.
Ramen?
Yeah, can you recommend what is famous Filipino food in here? Ramen. Small one. This is really good. How's it? Good. But I don't like spicy. I don't like spicy.
Oh my.
This one is good. This one is good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will try that. 28 peso. Okay.
Oh, okay. It's only 22. It's all 22.
Hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will try this. Maybe I can make it in here, right? Oh, thank you. You are so kind. Yeah.
Open this one.
Are you living here? No. Tagaytay. I went to Tagaytay. Yeah.
Taytay is the best place.
Yeah, that's why. It's really famous, right?
Place for
Go ahead. Yeah. So I wait like 2 minutes like that. After that I will eat.
I think 3 minutes.
3 minutes enough?
Okay.
Thank you for you are so kind. I again come here, right? Bye bye. Maybe I will wait. Especially when I was in Korea, I'm not usually eat ramen in convenience store. But today I want to try that because, as you guys know, I really excited to enjoy those Philippine food, and I really wanted to try new food, right? I'm so excited to enjoy this. Wow. Step is recommended. It's only 25 pesos, maybe really cheaper. So that's why now I'm really excited. And Step giving me these, so I will use that. This is spoon and fork, like that. Also, we have like this. Oh my god! I don't know how tasty it is, but maybe it looks like good. But not yet, right? I always adjust camera because I want to show detail, but it couldn't work like that. Now, once 10 p.m. I will try that. Do you see smoke from ramen? Looks like really great. My first time to eat these products. Maybe mix. Like that. Looks like really good. Smell is like savory, really savory. Really not salty. Just first I want to try drink. Oh my god, not spicy. So I really like it because as a Korean I don't like spicy thing. So if I go to convenience store and if I fight some ramen in Korea, always things is spicy for me, but this not too spicy. I love it. Wow. Oh my god, it's really savory. Also, I can see like corn, like that. Like that. Maybe I think I will make this kind of thing. It's good. Why I really like this? It's not too spicy. I love it. Also really cheap, right? It's only 28 pesos. Really cheap, so I really like it. It's perfect texture they have. It's really different from what I ate in Korea. Especially its noodle. Noodle is really different. Also, it's not oily. And I can see all you have to do is just pour. I really like to decide. I don't have like biggest stomach like that. So that's why this size is really good for me. I like it. I will take a rest in here. Also here, vibe and atmosphere is really good. Here it's really clean and really nice staff they have. So I really like it. Thank you guys. Okay, I will see you the place. Anyway, review is finished. I love that, and I love convenience store because it's really cool and outside is really hot. Yeah, as you can see, outside really sunny. So now I'm really comfy to sit down here and eating something. Also, I enjoy these kind of things.
You eat?
South Korea.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, already had in convenience store.
Ah, yes, yes. You already eat?
Already.
Ah, okay.
It's so good. I love that. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Anyway, did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.